Uh, Alvin, come here. So, as my wow flowed by Alaru Town Council. But this place is also very nice, very, very nice, very lovely, vintage kind of. I will. Alvin, oh yeah, go inside. Alvin, come inside. Let me quickly do a tour before. I'll just do a tour for you guys. So we're going to be parking the cars behind the house. There's a driveway down there where we can go round and then park at the backyard. So this is it. The owner just left now, just showed us around. So we've got a chair in front. Hey, Solo Makide, Solo Makide. I'll be able to sit down here and watch everybody move in and out. Baba. Everybody, wow, okay, go. One day, so we come back, baby, Lord. So it's 33 minutes. Imagine. But that's why you go by car, go. So this is the entrance. Sorry, I might be my joint son. AJ. No, Jeeps in England, AJ. So when you walk into these flowers, these tables with the flowers, and so this is the entrance.
Yes, I can buy another one.
Like a walkway.
No, Dad, I don't want to buy another one. I wanted to buy the
This is the sitting room. It has a frame here as well. I wish you guys can just see everything. So beautiful, and it smells like they just finished cleaning. Truthfully, truly just finished cleaning. So this is the lounge. Kilt. Hey, a lot of things that these people can break here. Hey, Jesus. A lot of things that my children can scatter. Hey, so this is the dining. This is the dining here. This is the window. So this is the entrance. Do you see the entrance again? It's really beautiful. So we're leaving our shoes outside. Everybody is hungry, but I just have to do this. So, and then this is the kitchen. You gave them the chocolates there. That means you can eat all the chocolates. So this is the kitchen. See, time is just past 1. This is the kitchen. It's so cute.
Oh,
so cute. So it's different. It's separate from the lounge, but it's still an open plan. Still an open plan. Lots of storage spaces, more than the previous place we're coming from. Still the same small fridge and freezer. Can we eat this Kellogg's cornflakes? Can we eat all of this? I don't know. I think that's Weetabix there. I think we can eat them. I think so, because when the man came in to show me around, he just asked if the kids wanted chocolate. I said yes, and he picked some from here, gave to them. So I think we can eat all of these things, sha. Peanut, crepes, bread, okmeo, bread goa. Because it's Sunday. So what else do you have here? Yeah, chocolate, biscuits. I think we can eat all of this too. Sure. Glasswares. So, and there's a church directly opposite this place. There are a lot of houses around. This is like the town center. This is just, this is better. We should stay longer here. This is like the toaster. Tea, coffee, sugar, jars. At least this one has work clock. Coffee. We can eat as many as we like. Sugar, spray, oil, olive oil spray. This is so lovely. All the condiments and everything, oil. There's pasta. There's tea, granulated sugar. Oh God. What else? Oh, nothing. It's just the fume extractor. And then the plate. It's not like the other place where we had plates for kids. Let's see what we got in the fridge. Finally, Valerie can have a toast with jam. Valerie, there's jam. There's water. See, there's wine. Is it alcoholic? I don't know. That place we came from, the fridge was not that cold, but this one is cold. This one is alcoholic. Sorry. We know the drink. There's Coca-Cola. There's Coca-Cola. It's not Coca-Cola. Why people made me think this is Coca-Cola? Is this alcoholic as well? Hello, no alcoholic. Sorry. When you drink your milk, semi-skimmed. There's butter. There's butter. Valerie, there's butter. Ewelele. Cheese. Ewelele might expire. How should you know? July. There's ham. Irish ham. There's ham. Baulu might expire 20th May. So we need to eat it fast. It's ham. So let me arrange our things inside. It's so good to know that all these things are available. There's water, always thirsty. And so this is it. It's still an open plan, but it's pretty. And that's the bin there. These bin bags are for our fridge things from our fridge. Yeah. Valerie, you people cannot just sit down. This is TV here. Sit down. Don't scatter these things, okay? Please sit down. Stay on that table if you want to put anything down. If you need to see the room, it's so beautiful. And then this is the regulator, the eating and the hot water regulator. I want some eating because this place is cold, a bit cold, cooler than where we're coming from. So this is a walkway. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. This is a walkway. It's just a walkway. I don't know where this door leads to. He didn't tell me. Oh, it's the bathroom. Oh my goodness. Look at this bedroom. It smells so good. I just finished cleaning. It smells really good. So it's larger than where we are coming from. Okay, sure. That I want to talk TV. So has storage space over there where we can put our soap, and also has mirrors, has spare towels and everything. Yeah, here, so we can put our whatever we want to put. You can hang whatever you want to hang. This is more spacious than where we came from. So what else? There's another mirror here. Okay, storage space. This is the bath. They even give us soap. Now they give us soap. More storage space. Everything. This is the eating here. The eater is here. We'll begin to spend our money. So I'll show you into the first room. See this place. This place is very lovely. So this is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. You know, it will shake the. This is the master bedroom. They just opened everywhere because they just finished cleaning. At least me and my husband, we even have one room to ourselves. So has this chair. This is the dressing table with mirror, bedside tables. See, has a wardrobe with mirror, and there's a bin, there's a hanger there. Look at that. This is so lovely, and then we can see outside easily. This is really lovely. So lovely. Let me just take some pictures. Okay. And then there's also a clock hanger here. We can hang our jackets. What room is this? It's just the store. It's a store where we got the Uber and some other things. It's a storage space. And look at this other room. Look at this room. Let me take a picture. So this is going to be where the kids will be staying. This is so thoughtful of them to have that whole family of 4. The kids will have their own rooms. They ask for the age of the kids. So this is your room, guys. You people are not going to be coming to our room, okay? If you will stay in this your room, this is where you'll be sleeping. I don't want to hear, I'm scared. I don't want to hear any story. You will sleep on your bed. Everybody now has their own bed to themselves. So there's a wardrobe.
TV.
Yes, you've got TV to yourself. You don't even have to come and watch the TV in the sitting room. OMG. So just some extra duvet with hanger, which is really lovely. So that is their own TV. They also have their mirror. This is really lovely. Okay, so lovely. This is really, let me just close the windows because the house is beginning to eat up now.
Daddy, Mommy, I just on the TV.
Okay, alright. You can even see the backyard from here. Look at that. Ha! Oh man, this one should just be the house that we are renting. Oh wow! It should have made more sense. You know, see the backyard, see the playground. I'll just take you there later. You know.
Okay. Oh, and
So they've got tissue. Valerie will waste all this tissue.
wait.
They've got their own bedside lamps. You have the twin bed.
Already have our own.
Look at this chair. It's a glass chair. Hey, we should not break this chair. Oh. It's a glass chair.
Let me try to sit.
People should not break it. Oh. So this is your own mirror, guys.
We have 2 mirrors.
Everybody has your own tissue.
This is my mirror. That's your mirror.
So I'll just close the window so that everywhere can warm up a little. Okay, so this is the backyard. How we stop yelling, for goodness sake? So this is the backyard. Yes, you can tag along.
Is that Ow. That's why the
If you just left your daddy to be carrying all the load, I'm coming right for you. So this is the backyard. Yeah. It's not. It's so we have the mopping stick here. Here they don't use gas like that. They use oil for powering their heating. They don't use gas for generating heat. So this is a tap in case you want to wash the car. So where did they say we are going to bring the car? Maybe we'll park. Yeah, we'll park at that side. So in case you want to wash anything, you have party, you want to do party. This is the hose. See water. See drainage. Party mark more. Mash party. If I were to live here, we'll be doing birthday party. You just drop it. This is, and thankfully it's summer because it's warm now. It's really warm, like 12 to 15 degrees. So I think this is their kerosene tank. Yes, for generating the heat, they use kerosene. See, oil. It's not. It's oil, and it's kerosene. It's not gas. So he said I'll be able to wash and dry our clothes here. So can actually take the backyard. So let's go and help my husband out. So thank you. So thank you guys. This is our new abode. and we don't know for how long we're going to remain here. This place is really far from where we work, and we don't intend to settle in this town. It's just, we're just going to be here tentatively. As soon as we get a house close to where we work, we're gonna vacate this place, or even before then, who knows, maybe by Friday or next week Sunday, by Sunday you just tell us to pack again and move to somewhere else. So thank you guys, and we would love to see you in my next video.